Hello my friends, welcome to Session NB. Today I will show the meanings of the Chinese boot menu and how to format phone with the Chinese boot menu. So let's go to the video. I have a Huawei phone with the Chinese boot menu. First I power off the phone and reboot to recovery mode. So this is the Chinese boot menu. There are the English meanings of these. Number 1, auto test. Number 2, manual test. Number 3, single test. Number 4, test record. Number 5, debug test item. Number 6, clear eMMC. Number 7, version information. Number 8, restart phone. So we want to reset the phone. Now press the volume up and down buttons to select eMMC option. Then press the power button to choose to clear eMMC option. Finally, wait some time until reset the phone. It successfully factory reset. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up. Check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell to stay up to date with the latest on Android, Windows and other tech related stuff here on Session NB.